Greetings. Yes, we're back with another one again, and today we're gonna be doing some chili hummus spaghetti today. So a simple one today. Here's the ingredients. Okay, so we have parsley, basil, crushed chilies, some cayenne pepper, sea salt. We got some exotic mushroom. There's a mixture of mushrooms here. We got some coconut cream, we got onion, we got some fennel, we got some hummus here, we got walnut oil, we got a variety of peppers, we have some fine beans, got some spring onions, some cherry tomatoes, got some celeries, zucchini, some cumin powder or jeera powder. We have some spelt pasta, not pasta, we got spelt spaghetti, and we got some kale. Okay, so we just have our celery, kale, and fennel in the pot there, just slowly just cooking. Don't need to cook it for long, for about 5 minutes, with a little bit of water in it just to steam it, and that's it. And then we're just gonna add our peas and mushroom and zucchini now. We just added our zucchini, mushrooms, and our fine beans, and we just leave that to steam for about 5 minutes, and then we add some more ingredients. Okay, so we got all of our veggies in now. So all I gotta do now is just add all the spices, add a coconut milk, and later on I'll go with the hummus, and then we'll get it all together. Okay, we've added our spices now. Don't be scared to add more chili. Crushed chili, add more chili, add more cayenne. Don't be scared, because this is meant to be spaghetti, chili spaghetti. So don't be scared of adding the chili. Okay, so we have that's ready now. Then we have some water on a, with some olive oil and a bit of salt to get the spaghetti in. You get the oil, I use some extra virgin olive oil to get with the water, get it to a boil. Reason why I put the olive oil in, so the spaghetti don't stick together, so that's why I put a bit of olive oil in there. So get it to a boil. Okay, so this is after adding the coconut cream, and we had the hummus. Like I said, do not be scared of adding more chili, more cayenne pepper, because after all this is supposed to be a chili spaghetti. So this is what it looks like. This looks nice and creamy there. Nice. You smell the flavor right now. It's just so sweet. Oh, just taste it. You feel that. You can taste that nice creamy coconut taste with the hummus in there, mixed with the vegetables. It's delicious, man. Just wait till I serve it up. Okay, yeah. Our boiling water is ready for our spaghetti. These spaghetti we're using, it doesn't take long to cook. It takes what, between 8 to 10 minutes to cook. It's so quick and easy to cook. Just get them in there, spread them out. Once the bottom goes on, you just twirl them around, and that's it. You don't need to crush them up. There gonna have very quick. They're ready. There you go. Just soak them in. And 8 to 10 minutes, they're finished. This is all ready. So okay, our spaghetti is ready now. So let's check them out and look. See, they're nice. They're not sticking together. They're ready to go. So what I'll do now, I'll just strain the water off, and we're ready to go. Okay, so there's two ways you can have it. You can have it where the spaghetti is on the side and you have a sauce on the side there, and I'll just sprinkle some oregano. You can add some more olive oil on the spaghetti. You can have it like that, or you can have it all mixed together like this. So everything is all mixed up. You can have it like that. So it's up to you how you want to have it. Have it this way or that way. Either way, they both taste delicious. So that's how they'll come out, and they're ready to go. That's how I do it. So like, subscribe, and I'll continue to bring out these dishes. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.